The first one away, her stablemate, You Bet to Win, is up the rail second into the turn. Woodmere Dancing Art coming up third on the outside, and Elm Grove Jonette is trailing fourth. So they're at the first eighth, and Barrio with Jan down. It's going to be short-lived, rushing after the leader on the outside. Woodmere Dancing Art and Claire McDonald. Oh no, but maybe they're going to be to it and at it here as they go to the quarter. Woodmere Dancing Art had to pay a bit of a price today. Barrio carried her over to the quarter with Jan down. The opening station was swift. 28 and 2 was the quarter. On the front end, Woodmere Dancing Art the leader. Second is Jan down. You Bet to Win third, and Elm Grove Jonette is trailing the field fourth. So they're looking for a breather here in the second panel, and Claire just might get it. Oh, they're staggered, and they're all twisted up in the backfield here as You Bet to Win took Elm Grove Jonette right out of it now. They passed by the half mile in 59 and a 1/5. On the front end, the leader is Woodmere Dancing Art. Jan down goes second. Elm Grove Jonette, after the interference at the half, trying to close up third. And the trailer is You Bet to Win. To the backstretch they go. 3/4 the next station. Woodmere Dancing Art the leader. Jan down is second. Elm Grove Jonette driving up into third, and at the back, that's You Bet to Win the trailer. So we're down to 1/4 mile left to go. And on the front end, Woodmere Dancing Art was the leader at 3/4 in 1:32. There's where she got her breather, staggering 32 and 4. 1/8 mile left to go. They're going to pick it up now. Woodmere Dancing Art coming home. Jan down is second. Elm Grove Jonette third. They're in deep. Stretch now. Woodmere Dancing Art. Jan down coming on at the rail, but too late. Woodmere Dancing Art and Claire McDonald. Island Breeders' Championship final 2-year-old filly pacers. Second was Jan down. Elm Grove Jonette third. Mile in 2:01 and 4.